Hello everyone, welcome to Cope UiPath. It's me Rakesh Gupta, and today we are going to talk about how to find duplicate or non-duplicate row between two data tables. So before I proceed, let me talk about a scenario. Recently I was working on a SAP project, and there I was extracting the data from SAP by using data scraping wizard, and then I was having another Excel sheet, and then I need to compare those two data table. What I mean by that, let's say this is the data table or records that I'm getting from SAP, and now I need to compare each row one by one from the another Excel sheet. Okay, so here I'm having only few records. Okay, so we can apply the logic of for each row in data table and we can compare each row one by one. But let's talk about a scenario where we are having more than 10,000 or 20,000 records. So in that scenario, it's not feasible to compare each record one by one. Okay, because it's a time taking and it will unnecessary, make your code complicated. What I mean by that, let's say I need to compare this row. Okay, so I will copy this row, or I will store this row somewhere, and then I will compare this particular row in all the row available in this data table, right? So basically for one row you have to compare in 10,000 record, and in the same way you have to do for all the records, right? So this is not a good solution. So let's see how we can do that in UiPath by using an efficient way. So for that, let me go into UiPath and let me delete all this. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to take a Excel application scope and let me define the Excel sheet. So here I'm taking the data from Excel sheet, but in real environment you will get the data from SAP or from some another application, right? So I have taken the Excel application scope. Now let me take the read range, and I'm going to take two read range because I have to read two Excel sheet, right? So the name of the first sheet is SAP, and the data I'm going to store into DT SAP, and now the name of the second sheet is sheet 2. So I will just rename this, and here I'm going to create a data table by pressing Ctrl K and DT sheet 2. And because I have to read the entire data table, that's why I am not giving any range here. Either I can delete it or I can put just double quote like this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take a assign activity, and before I proceed, let me just increase the scope of these two data table. So I am going to increase the scope, and now what I will do here, I will write DT SAP. Let me just increase the size. DT SAP dot as enumerable. So I am basically going to convert the data table into enumerable, and then I will put a dot and I will write intersect. Intersect is basically to find the duplicate value, you can say duplicate or common. Okay, now I will take the another data table, that is DT sheet 2, and again I will convert this into enumerable. And then what I will do, I will write the data comparer. So system dot data row comparer, this one, dot default. And now what I will do, I will convert the entire thing into a data table. So I will just put dot copy to data table. So this will give me a output of data table, right? If I will mouse over here, so you can see the output that I am getting as a data table. Now I will click on the OK button, and on the left hand side I will create a new data table called DT filter, and because by default type is string, so I have to convert that into data table. And now what I am going to do, I am going to take another Excel application scope and I will write this data into sheet 3, and I will take a write range activity. Okay, this one is coming from workbook, right? So as I have taken the Excel application scope, so I will take the write range which is coming from Excel application scope. and here let me make the sheet name as common, and the data that I want to write is DT filter. And now let me run this. So if I will go here, okay, the here one thing I missed, that I forget to add header, right? So let me delete this, and I'm going to run this again. And now if I will open this Excel file, so you can see out of these two data table, we are having only one row common, that is this one, Vijay Sinha, male, Hyderabad. If you'll see Rakesh Gupta, male, Pune, so in sheet 2 for Rakesh Gupta, here I am having the city name as Bangalore. So that's why it's not common. City name is getting changed. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in another video.